What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a very simple method that you can go and use to go and schedule your post on TikTok for 100% free. You don't have to go and have any software at all, and it's 100% free. And this is a brand new feature on TikTok. I mean, people want to go and schedule posts on TikTok, and that's what I'm going to show you guys in this particular video. So you're going to be promoting, for example, affiliate offers like on Clickbank, etc. This one is the tools that's going to help you to go and make a lot of money very fast, because you can go and schedule a lot of posts on TikTok on complete autopilot with what I'm going to show you guys in this particular video. I'm going to show you guys in a simple quick video on how to go and upload videos, and you can go and schedule a lot of videos, and they're going to be posted on complete autopilot on your TikTok account. So that's, guys, if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to find time that post new videos that can help you guys start making money online. So I post new methods on how to go and make money on Clickbank, Digital24, etc. And most of the methods I share right here are mostly 100% free methods that you can go and use and make money online. And many of the students are using this method already, and they're already making a lot of money online, and you can go and do this as well. So guys, also want to learn my most recommended method to go and make money online consistently that I'm using to go and make money consistently online. Be sure to go and click the first link in the description. So that's, guys, so let's get into this method. Let me show you guys how simple it is to go and actually share a post on TikTok without needing any softwares at all. So let's get into the video, guys. TikTok. What you're going to do is to go and share your post on TikTok. You're going to make sure to go and log into your TikTok account on your browser. So this particular option to go and share a TikTok post is not available on the mobile version. You're going to make sure to go and log into your browser, as you're going to have this option to go and share your post on TikTok for 100% free. Very easy. Okay, guys, so the first step is you're going to go to tiktok.com on your browser, and you're going to log into your account. Once I log into your account, right here, you're going to see this option at the top. So you can see from here, you can see there's an upload option from here. You're going to click on this upload option from here, and that's, guys, going to bring you to a page. You can go and upload a lot of videos, and you can go and actually share these videos to be posted on complete autopilot on your TikTok page. So you're going to do from here is they're going to upload your video from here. So let me just upload a sample video right here for this example and show you guys how to go and schedule videos very easily right here on TikTok for free. And as you guys can see, this one of my sample videos right here that I'm uploading right here for this example that we're going to go and schedule right here. You can see this is a schedule option from here. All you're going to do is you're going to write the caption from here, and this is going to be your call to action right here if you're going to be promoting affiliate offers. So you can go and write, for example, learn how to become a millionaire, for example, learn how to become wealthy, etc. You can go and use any caption from here, and this is a caption that's going to show when this video is going to be published. So for example, wealthy, for example, link in the bio if you're going to be selling affiliate offers. For example, a link in the bio. And that's it, guys. So all you're going to do from here next, you're going to go and input hashtags from here. That's going to go and help your post to go and get a lot more traffic on TikTok. So you're just going to click on this hashtag option. So just click on hashtag, and that's, guys, can go right, for example, hashtag millionaire, for example, hashtag for you page. Anyone, you can go and choose anyone from here. So let me type, for example, hashtag millionaire. You can see, for example, let me type, for example, millionaire. And that's, guys, so let me just select this from here. Let me type, click on hashtag once more, hashtag billionaire, for example. And that's, guys, you're going to make sure to go and choose right here the right hashtags, and you also want to go and make sure that it's going to be looking right, because if you look right, it means that it's going to actually show on your page. So next, let me just click on the next one. I'm just going to type, for example, for you page. For example, for you, I'm just going to choose any of this one from here, and that's, guys, for example, hashtag manifesting. And that's, guys, for example, hashtag manifestation, and that's, guys, that's going to be your call to action right here. And as you guys can see from here, my videos already almost done. And that's, guys, you're going to see different options from here. You can go and see, you can go and allow, for example, people to go and comment on this. You can go and allow, for example, do it stitch all of this. You can go and choose any of these ones from here. And also from here, you can go and see, you can go and choose, for example, public, friends, or private from here. And for my own example, I'm just going to choose this to be public. And also you can go and choose any cover from here that's going to be like your thumbnail. So let me just choose one from here. You can go and choose anyone from here. Let me just choose one right here. This one is going to be as my cover right here. And that, guys, is very easy. You're going to see this schedule option. You're going to click on schedule, because you can go and click on post. It's going to be posted right away. But since you want to go and schedule this, you're going to click on schedule. And that's, guys, you can go and see a lot of different dates from here that you can go and choose from. So you click on this, you can go and see the calendar. You can go and choose any of the days that you want your content to be posted on. You can go and choose one, for example, for example on the 11, choose this one. I can go and choose the time when it's going to be posted. So I see these are a lot of times from here I can go and choose from. You can go and choose, for example, let me choose, for example, 3 o'clock. I can go and choose, for example, the minutes from here. You can see, go and choose, for example, let me choose, for example, at 3 o'clock is going to post it at 3 o'clock and, for example, 35 minutes. And that's, guys, next you're just going to click on schedule. It's going to be scheduled and it's going to be posted on your account on complete autopilot. And that's, guys, once I'm done from here, you're just going to click on schedule. So you just click on schedule. And as you guys can see from here, my content has already been scheduled on TikTok. So that's how easy it is for you to go and share the content right now on TikTok. And you can go and actually upload a lot of pieces of content and it's going to be posted on complete autopilot. And if you are promoting offers, for example, on Clickbank, etc., it's going to help you to go and actually make a lot of money, because you can go and focus and create a lot of different TikTok pages and you can go and share your content. It's going to be posted on complete autopilot without you actually being there on TikTok. So that's, guys, if you found this particular video, be sure to go and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And also, once you go and upload the next video, you can just go and click on upload the next video and still schedule it for another day. So that's, guys, can see from here, this one my example accounts from here. I'm actually scheduling a lot of posts on complete autopilot. You can see from here I actually uploaded some few videos from here. You can see I've not actually uploaded a lot of videos on this particular account, but you can see it's still getting a lot of views right here every single day. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a lot of videos from here and I'm going to schedule a lot of videos, for example 2 weeks of worth of content, and I'm going to post it on this particular account on complete autopilot as they are being posted on my other accounts on TikTok on complete autopilot. So I also recommend that you should go and get a lot of accounts and you can go and go, for example, to different niches on TikTok and you're going to share a lot of content in a lot of different accounts, or you can go and be promoting a lot of affiliate offers on different topics, for example on Clickbank, Diesel24, Warrior Plus, etc. And it's going to help you to go and get a lot of traffic from these accounts and you can go and help you to go and actually make a lot of money online. So the methods I've shown you guys that you can go and use and actually make a lot of money by sharing posts on TikTok is by promoting affiliate offers on Clickbank. And one of the best methods I show you guys is by using, for example, the spirituality niche. If you go to the spirituality niche, I show you guys one with the videos, you're just going to go, for example, to love attraction niche. You can go, for example, to Instagram and type, for example, love attraction. You're going to find thousands of accounts that are already posting a lot of content, for example, in the spirituality niche from here. And you can just go, for example, click on the reels. You can click on the Instagram reels. You're going to go to the accounts, you're going to click on reels and you're going to find a lot of Instagram reels from here. And these are videos that are also the same format like that on TikTok. All you're going to do is you're going to download all these videos from here. You're going to go back to your TikTok account. You can go and create a simple account, for example, law of attraction right here, as I've shown you guys from here. You can go and create a TikTok account in the same niche. You can go and download all these Instagram reels, go back and create an account on TikTok. You can go and post this right here, post those videos back on TikTok. And with the power of scheduling, with this free method I've shown you guys in this video, you can go and upload unlimited videos and schedule them, and they're going to be posted on a complete autopilot, and you're going to be making money from here. So that's, guys, if you found out this particular video, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. I will be notified next time I'm going to post a video just like this one that can help you guys start making some easy money online. And I'm also going to be showing guys a lot of methods I'm using to go and make money on TikTok in the future. So be sure to go and subscribe to the channel, and you're going to be notified when I post those different videos. So that's, guys, take action on this and start scheduling this and go and promote affiliate offers, and you can go and make a lot of money on TikTok, as this is a very huge opportunity right now. So that's, guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.